Today I am going to share crispy thread chicken recipe. Chicken breast, 500 grams. Cut it like this. Chicken breast transfer to the bowl. Egg 1. Salt to taste. Soy sauce 1 tablespoon. Garlic powder 1 teaspoon. Black pepper, a half teaspoon. Oregano, 1 teaspoon. Chili flakes, 1 teaspoon. Paprika, 1 teaspoon. Hot sauce, 1 tablespoon. Sweet chili sauce, 1 tablespoon. Ketchup, 1 tablespoon. Yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon. Mix very well. Cover and rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Tortilla. Make a half. Fold it. Cut thin slices. Chopped. Done. After 20 minutes. Mix again. Take the chicken and then coat with chopped tortilla. Press. Deep fry. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Done. Garnish with coriander leaf. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more video.